what makes Jummah is the khutbah. We have 4 rakat in Zuhr. They are reduced to 2 in Jummah. And in place of 2 rakat, 2 khutbahs have been added. And that is why this seems to be the wisdom. Why the Prophet ﷺ used to have 2 khutbahs, although he never gave or delivered very lengthy khutbahs. We know it, that his practice was very precise and very brief khutbah he used to deliver. And he used to sit in between. Not because he felt tired, but because, as far as I think, because one should understand that these 2 khutbahs are in place of 2 rakat of Zuhr. Zuhr has 4 rakat, and here in Jummah you have 2 rakat. So actually, in place of the 2 rakat, you have 2 khutbahs.